you're really painting are the legs and the beak and this little yellow thing here, because the rest of it is fully shadow.
Donna, I love your rocks.
So it's up to you, you know, like I put this line in for the shadow, but you know what? I get the other one and it's just too much shadow. So I want it not to be in as much shadow. You can be in shadow down here, but I don't know, it lost something to me. You know, I like white is dark, but I do like
kind of like that.
the shadow in it. So my favorite shadow on this, if you look at mine, I'm using purple, the ultramarine, and the
This I think
is what I usually use on my birds. So, yeah,
This one here? Yeah.
I'm gonna probably,
Something that has a curve.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna start. Sorry.
Thank you very much, I've gotta go.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Good to see you, Shabbat.
See you later.
Just a job for you, right?
So this is, yeah, probably.
I know.
Just kind of follow where I know the feathers are.
Yeah.
I'm going to be lifting all those so I can go underneath them. And probably do a little bit more blue, just because. And then probably just some of there. And that, what really screwed this up is I have his whole beak on. So
Yeah, I was just gonna say,
Yeah, that's hard
you're
to-
missing the beak.
So, and then I probably would just lighten this up really. Just didn't really, so I'll just look here.
Oh, yeah.
And then you've got all your feathers back here, and so that's where you, and then, you know, you want to make sure you're leaving. This is all from my memory of doing all these birds now, because it's not on that picture.
I was gonna say, how do you just know that that's
Well,
what they look
because
like?
I've done lots of, so, you know, and then you just can lift some of it because I'm building these shadows. And this is gonna be working good in there. And then these legs, paint all the way over there, I must have, because that leg is in there. So I'll just do his leg. And then this whole belly here is gonna have a little bit more. So, you know, this I can do in a few layers and just keep developing this, because I might even get right into having it have that darkness. You know, it could. And then I get my little burnt sienna, which is lovely to drop in there. I mean, look at that. So even under here, probably a little bit.
Oh, yeah, defining the shape.
So, and you guys can get as crazy as you want with which colors mean something to you with doing a bird.
Yeah, right.
You know, what you see, because you may see turquoise and all that. But these all, because they're translucent, they lift well, they blend well, they're interruptible. That means if it's dry, you can try and go back in and relift it. So, and even this, you know, watching this here, getting into these feathers down here at the bottom and dropping some of these in, will be nice. I can even put a little more purple in there. Because once I lift these, this will really stand out. So.
Are you in Riverbend?
No, I'm actually.
So that and then.
No, but I think I have your address, so.
Yeah, and I was gonna email.
So the same thing with, you know, when you go into this,
Yeah, actually, it's like
it's just
beyond
kind of
those
repeating the same
four.
thing.
Oh, okay.
But,
Okay.
will it be lighter?
Racetrack, then you just.
Well, I would probably do it a little lighter because it is that, but then you get
You
into
send me the
this,
address, I'll GPS.
doing
Okay.
this.
I will,
Thank
I will
goodness
do
I
that.
can see the beacon. weeks are so fun. I'm really sorry you guys spent so much time painting the.
No, the background really won't move on.
I know, but I feel like I want to stay 2 more hours and
I know, it's never long enough.
really have you do the.
Even when we do a 6-hour class, people are not gonna
But you
show.
can see where he's gonna go.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
So, you know,
Your
so
background is
helpful.
just,
Yeah, I love